Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can register on the Popo live streaming app as a new user or as a beginner. So if you are new to this platform, this video is for you. Okay, so if you want to download the app, do not go to Play Store to download the app or your Apple Store to download the app directly. No, do not do that. Please do not do that. Click on the WhatsApp link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video and send me a DM. Okay, when you join the group, you send me a DM and tell me that you want to download the Popo live stream app. I cannot drop my link on YouTube for some certain reasons. Okay, so just join the WhatsApp group and request for the download link and it will be sent straight to you. So when you get the link, all you need to do is to click on the link and that link will take you straight to where you can download the app. It is that simple and easy. Stay with me and watch this video to the end so that you can also join the Popo live streaming platform. Okay, so you go to your Play Store and then you're going to type Popo live streaming. You can see it's already here. Then you're going to install the app. Click on install. So you're going to wait for the app to load. Okay, here we have our app fully loaded. So you're going to click on open. You're going to open this app and now you're going to register. So you can either log in with your Instagram account, your Facebook account, or your Google account. So the choice is yours, but for me I'm going to be logging in with my Google account. Now before you log in with your Google account, you need to come down here and click on this little circle here that you have read and agreed to Popo's terms of service. So I'm going to be logging in using a Google account. So you're going to click on agree and continue, and then it's going to bring you here to this interface. So the next thing you need to do, you need to input a profile picture. So go ahead and put a profile picture right there. I've successfully put a profile picture. Doesn't necessarily need to be your picture. So now nickname, you need to use your nickname. So you need to use a nickname. You don't need to use your original, your real names, your full names. You can use a nickname. So I'm just going to input a nickname, any nickname of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to be using, I can just use any name, real girl. Okay, and then you're going to input your date of birth. So you'll go ahead and put your date of birth. I'm just going to choose anyone though. Okay, let me just say 1990. I'm just going to use anyone for the sake of this tutorial. Then you click on confirm. Then your country, you're going to choose your country. So you go ahead and choose your country. I mean Nigeria, so I'm choosing Nigeria. And then your gender, you're going to choose your gender, if you are a male or a female. Okay, so I'm going to go with my female. I'm a female. So now here you can see it says inviter, not to be altered once set. Yes, here you're going to input your inviter's ID on this very box here. That is where you're inputting your inviter's ID. Okay, so when you get to this point, you're going to input my ID. Okay, please input my ID. Okay, My ID is already on the screen, so make sure you input my ID here. And my ID is 5839084. That's my ID. So you're going to click on submit, and you're going to submit. Okay, good. My account has been set. See, easy daily income, $10 endpoints now. So okay, yes, here we are. All right, now it says complete face authentication within 24 hours. If you can complete your facial authentication within 24 hours, you're going to earn 100 coins. Sorry. Now if you start a live, you're going to get 50 coins. Random PK already, you also get 50 coins. You can go to receive more rewards. So now here you're going to see more rewards. Okay, so live duration, if you go live, you're going to earn some coins and all of that. Yes, all of these here are the rewards that you can get. Okay, for some people you can get a higher coins. All right, okay, so for you to do your facial authentication, you're going to come to reward. Now you see go live. If you click on go live here, it will bring you here. So here you need to do your facial authentication. Now you'll need to first of all upload a picture. Now I can't do the facial authentication because I already have an account. Okay, you can't have more than one account on Popo live stream. Yes, one person is not allowed to have more than one account. It has to be one user to one account. So because I already have an account, if I show my face here, I'm going to be flagged. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you what to do as a new user. So here you need to upload a picture of yourself on this very circle here. Then when you upload a photo of yourself, which is also here, you'll be asked to upload a photo of yourself. When that is done, you're going to go to start authenticate. Now it will ask you to authenticate. When you are being asked, you see it says avoid cover, keep enough light, minors are prohibited. Yes, minors are prohibited on Popo live. So when they tell you to start authentication, you see a baby like image is going to appear telling you what to do. It can tell you to open your mouth and tell you to blink your eyes and all of that. So whatever it is that it tells you to do, the system tells you to do, just do it. And when you are done with that, then you are fully registered on Popo. Okay, so this is just a simple step-by-step method on how you can register on Popo live. It's very simple and straight to the point. So you can then come and explore the app as you want. Okay, so you can come to this this first part here. Now these are people that are live right now. These are people that are live. So if you want to go live, okay, you're going to, this is the first part. If you want to go live, all you need to do is come over here and click on live here, this right here. Okay, you click on live, so you can see I'm live already. So when it brings you to this interface, the first thing you're going to do is to make sure you come here to upload another photo of yourself. You can upload a picture of yourself right here. When you upload a picture of yourself, you're going to choose from any of these right here: chatting, singing, dancing, making friends, talent. You are going to choose any of them. Just click on them. You can see the one I clicked now is highlighted, so you're just going to click on them, click on any of them. Okay, so when that is done, then you can go live. Okay, I'm just going to click on go live. Now this way I'm live already. I am live right now, so you can go ahead to perform your first task. So when at the end of 1 hour, when you perform your first task, Popo is going to give you your 5,000 coins. Now if you go live for 2 hours, Popo is also going to give you another 5,000 coins. Okay, so at the end of the day, you'll be able to get 10,000 coins for 2 hours. So you're going to do this for 5 to 7 days or thereabouts, and then Popo will give you that amount, and after which Popo will drop you back to 1,000 as your daily income. So this is just a simple way on how you can go live or register on Popo live stream. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. You can also join my Telegram group for more amazing content and some other content that I cannot share here on YouTube. So with this, we have come to the end of today's tutorial, and until I see you again in my next video, I'm going to say bye for now.